this time a lot of people require help. There's a lot of service that's going on. How can you do service without getting emotionally bogged down? Because there are recovery cases, there are positive stories, and there are, sometimes, but round the clock service, how do you stop your mind from getting attached to it or projecting yourself as it?
See, two things are universal and forever. They are called health, people needing help, and they are called mind. As simple as that. So there will always be people who needs help, and there will always be the mind. And the mind will have an orientation to do service. At the same time, the mind will have something called emotions. This you cannot change this four criterion. That is, people needing help, the mind, it needs to do service to other people, and it will have emotions. So it's up to you how to balance these four things in the context and what is the goal and target. So you got to equip yourself to be of use, to be of service. Now, if you open up that file of service and help, then you need to know what are the criterion by which that qualifies you to do that service. Whether you have the right skills. Like you could be a great nurse, but you cannot drive ambulance. So that driver of ambulance will have a different skill set than the one who gives nursing. So you need to know whether you're appropriated your skills in correspondence with the help that is required by the other person. So to this effect, you got to do learning, training, and acquiring skills. And then the soft skills you require is patience and uh, and ability to learn and ability to implement that what you have learned. On the flip side, perhaps your emotion can either excite you in what you're doing, or it can degrade your output. In which case, you should have some meditation every day of the type of the practice in India and breathing techniques, so that you can be aware of the emotional turbulence that you may have to face, so that you can handle the emotions appropriately, so that the emotions will support your service tendencies. So net skill set and pranayama, breathing techniques, and meditation, so that you can regulate the emotional upheavals, if any.
Thank you, Vinodji.